Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to find Bitget wallet address. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, all you need to do is tap on More at the top right. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface, and here you can see various options. Now at the popular section, there you can see deposit just behind coupons. You need to tap on that. And you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now here you can see various crypto options. Now you need to choose the one that you want to see the wallet address of. For this video, I will go for USDT. You can simply tap on it, or you can go at the search bar and search for USDT. Now simply tap on that option. Now a verification is needed in order to see the wallet address. Currently my account isn't verified, but I will be guiding you further. After that, you'll be able to select the network. So after selecting the network, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So the deposit address is basically your wallet address, which you can use to deposit money in your Bitget wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.